So yeah. So yeah, I spent a good 30 minutes on this pass, which is not a good thing. Shouldn't spend a lot of time on high mountain passes. It's it's a lot windy here. It's really windy. I have to get down ASAP because I'm getting chakkar. From here it's just descent, so I'm less worried about it. But it's just stones and stones. सांस फूल गई ब्रो, सांस फूल गई. So I'll get down and start taking pictures because I'm getting a lot of chakkar. Like I'm being a lot dizzier. I don't know how I managed so much time on Shinkula. There were some people. Yeah, as I get down, even the sunlight is getting like the breathlessness was real. The breathlessness was completely real. My God, this is beauty, man. This is absolute beauty. Oh my God, this is okay. This is not easy. It looked very easy, but it's not. It's very steep. I should take the outer path. That way I have a lot more time and traction to control the bike. Yes. Thank you, Junaid bhai. I learned this after seeing your video only. ಎಂಥ ರೋಡ್ ಇದು, ಯಪ್ಪ ರೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Here I have to be a little careful in judging the descent. Keep your foot down, it's fine, but make sure your foot doesn't get stuck there. Where is Gonborong John? Yeah, just descended from the valley and look at this view. Oh my God. It was worth it. It was painful. The bike took a beating, one hell of a beating. And there is this small, very small chai shop here, and I just took one chai. Ah, look at that mountain over there. Ah, awesome. Adrenaline is kicking in, dopamine is all over my body. I'll just go inside, get a little warmth. अंदर बैठ सकता हूँ? Yeah. So, look at the condition of my hair. I'm sitting inside this cute little hut cafe. It's a cafe. Having a chai. Kargyak is just 14 kilometers from here. And yeah, that's my plan for today. I'll find a campsite and just stay there. So, mobile network electricity is just non-existent for the next 2 days. Okay, I'll see you back on the road. Oh my god. Let's go. Kargyak is just 15 kilometers from here. And let's stay there. Wow, wow, wow. It's just sand. यार किसी ने ये पार्ट क्यों नहीं बताई यार YouTube पे कि how difficult this thing is. Zanskar Valley, you are magnificent. You're magnificent. Kungburonjon, still no. Oh, this was that famous water crossing. Now there is a bridge, which is nice for people like me. ये क्या ब्रिज है ब्रो? यहाँ कैसे चढ़ेगी बाइक? चढ़ गई ब्रो, चढ़ गई. Awesome. पत्थरों वाली रोड यार, ये तो पूरा पत्थरों वाली रोड है. चलो हो गया. वाटर क्रॉसिंग हो गया. ये देखो जी, एक और वाटर क्रॉसिंग. This is deep. Oh, ouch. Center stand took a lot of beating. But I did it in one shot. That's nice. At the Kargyat border. So look where I had to keep my bike. Man, water crossings are brutal. I thought I was a pro in riding a bike. No, I am not. I mean, I am going to be in the cup in a week now. But yes, just got my COVID test done. Should wait for another 10 minutes for the result. Please let it be negative. So just got my COVID test result. It's negative. I can go further. I just passed Kargyak and there are these construction workers. They have been tenting here for the past 1 year and they've been building roads here. Like, huge respect to them. And they stopped me, asked me where I was from. When I told them I rode all the way from Karnataka to here, they forced me to stay and have chai because I have 1 more hour to go, 1.5 hour more to go to Pune. And yeah, they're offering me chai. Once it's done, I'll sit with them and have chai. So the locals here, like the people who are building the road, they offered me chai. So nice of them. Bhai sahab, आपकी नाम?
गुरदीप सिंह,
पंजाब से?
पठानकोट से.
पठानकोट से. Thank you, sir. Like, they live with the least means, but they offered me chai. Thankful to them. Very thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Who said the world doesn't have good people? They are construction workers. They are living with their basic necessities. They made me, like, they forced me. I didn't want to disturb them. They're like, nahi, aap chai pee ke jaiyega yahan se. When I needed it, they're like, no, you have to drink chai and go. They made chai with whatever they had. My God, such nice people, such very nice people. So yeah, coming back, the time is 4:45. So I'm going to Pune. Pune is 1 hour from here, around 15-20 kilometers. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm in the final stages of my memory card, of my second memory card, and look at this view, guys. I mean, like, this is like monstrous. Zanskar is like monstrous. It's a good decision that I came to Pune. I did not stay back in Kargyak. But the road looks so dangerous. My God. So I'll just keep this recording till the memory card is full. My horn is gone. I don't know why. Every trip my horn conks off, but then it like emerges from nowhere. My God. Okay, again pebble road, stone road again. Wow. Ooh, look at the descent. It doesn't look that steep. It is steep, guys. I don't know how the camera is showing this, but it is fucking steep, dangerously steep. Again, there is like this monstrous ascent. Upar niche, my god. I mean, this entire road is like this. I mean, till Leh, this is like this. At least till Padumto, it's definitely like this. Saddle once again, saddle once again. Oh my god, this was monstrous. Oy. Almost fell. Almost fell. Okay, this is like different level of ascent. Look at that. We were near the river, like within minutes, within seconds. Oh boy, look at that place. Bro, let's stop and take pictures, bro. Not happening. Let's just screenshot the GoPro footage, because once I stop I have to remove my gloves, put them, and within seconds your hands freeze. Oh, those are the hairpins. Oh, here is the Sangam. I can see the Sangam from here. Awesome. I don't know if the camera is capturing this, but there is a Sangam right over there. Purne. I thought it would be a little big, but then this is it. There are one or two campsites all over this place, and I found one. But then the thing is, I can't park my bike next to the tent. So yeah, I didn't pitch the tent. I helped somebody pitch a tent because my first time, I know nothing about pitching tents. So yeah, a person helped me. I'll show him later in the vlog. Like, I made some friends. So yeah, that's it. I'll show you whatever happens after this. This is like a very cute tent. So that's this is the tent, mattress, sleeping bag. Sleeping bag is a little moist, but yeah, I'll do something about it. That's it. My first camping experience, tent.